Okay, here's the eBay listing for the custom built TBS Source 1 Freestyle drone. I'll take you on a brief tour of the parts. I got the AOK Fly 2207 2600 kV motors on T-motor 5143 propellers. I got the Typhoon 35 amp 4-in-1 BL Heli 32 ESC with the Pyro all-in-one F4 flight controller. A 600 milliwatt VTX with a Fox Ear Lollipop antenna painted black. I got two low ESR Panasonic caps in there for filtering out the noise. Got a Runcam Sparrow 2 Pro painted black as well, with all the TPU parts on it: arm guards, GoPro session mount, front bumper, and rear comm dock. Got the XM Plus receiver with the bind button in clear view, and we'll do a quick demonstration flight. And there you have it.